Alright, welcome to SUBTRACTION learning. My name is Nelson, and we are going to answer more of the questions on operation of whole numbers, that is subtraction. So let's get started direct to the question. Our question is here. We had talked about our question A, our question B, question C. So we are remaining with this question. This is the question we are having. They are telling us that the distance, between two airports. That means there are two airports. An airport is just where our aeroplanes land. So they are saying the distance between those two places where our aeroplane land, which is an airport, is 123,908 kilometers. So this is what in kilometers, because when you are talking about distance, of course distance is measured in what? Distance is measured in kilometers or meters. So they are saying the distance between the two is measured is 123,908 kilometers. Then they are telling us if a place had covered, if a plane, this is not place but plane, plane, if a plane had covered 99,445 kilometers, only, what distance was left? Alright, so we should be able to identify what is required within this. They are telling us that we have the distance between two airports. In those two airports we are having a plane, and the distance between them is 123,908 kilometers. Then they are telling us if a plane had covered 99,000, if a plane had covered 99,445 kilometers only. So they are asking us what distance was left. So when you look at this question, they simply want you to calculate or find out or get the distance which was left if a plane had covered this. So you see, this question also requires us to be subtracting. For us to get the distance which was left, we should be able to know the distance that it was supposed to cover, which is this, and it had just only moved or covered only this one. So we shall get our distance, total distance that it was supposed to cover, and then minus the total distance that it had covered so far. So see, this also needs some what? It also needs some subtraction. So we shall be able to do it from here. We are going to do it from here. Let's do our question from here. Let's do our question from here. So they are telling us that our plane had covered a distance of 123,000 23,908. So this was measured in what? In kilometers. That is our distance. And they are telling us that the plane has only covered what? 99,040. So we have our plane had covered, you're going to say this is 45, this is our 0, this is our 9, and this is our what? Our 9 again. So this one is also measured in what? In kilometers. Okay, so this simply means that for us to get the distance that was remaining for our aeroplane to cover, we shall be able to just subtract these numbers. Okay, so we shall just subtract and say our 8 minus 5, we get 3. Then 0 minus this, we get is impossible, we borrow 1. So when you borrow 1 here, remains 8, this becomes 10. Okay, so here our answer will be 6. Then 8 minus 0, remain with our 8. So also here 9 minus 3, impossible, we borrow 1. So here remain is what? Remain is 1. Okay, so 13 minus what? 13 minus 9. Our answer shall be equal to 4. Then 1 minus 9, impossible, we borrow 1, it becomes 11. 11 minus 9, shall be able to get our answers. Our answers what? As 2. So this simply means that remaining distance, remaining distance will be equal to how much is this? Okay, this is 24,860 what? 63. This is 24 what? 24,863. So this should be in what? Should be in kilometers. Okay, so that is our number, and that is how our question concerning operation of whole numbers, especially in subtraction, that's how they always set them. Please, using the same concept of subtraction, we should not fear to subtract these numbers up to 6 digits. Okay, so it is still use the same concept for you to answer these big numbers. All right, so for these lessons, I'll be signing out. So I do say, please, thank you very much. Thank you for being part of this lesson. I need to see you in the next lesson. God bless you.